how you can easily remember complex math formulas. Ready to transform those head-spinning math formulas into easy-peasy memory boosters? Buckle up, because we're about to turn complex equations into your new best friends. 1. Understand the formula. Get friendly with your formulas. Understand how and why they work. Once you see the bigger picture, calling them to mind is a snap. 2. Write it down. Pen to paper is still a genius move. Jot down your formulas again and again to lock them into your brain. Bonus points for colourful pens. 3. Break it down. Divide and conquer. Tackle your formula in bite-sized chunks. Master each part before piecing it all together like a puzzle. 4. Use mnemonics and acronyms. Turn your formula into a fun phrase or acronym, just like PEMDAS. It's all about giving your brain a catchy trigger to hold on to. 5. Visualize the formula. Close your eyes and imagine your formula coming to life. Link numbers and letters with vivid pictures or storylines to keep them glued to your memory. 6. Practice regularly. Repetition is the secret sauce. Work through practice problems, drills, and examples to reinforce that knowledge in your mind. 7. Teach others. Got it locked in your head? Share the wealth. Explaining formulas to a friend or study buddy cements your own understanding and helps you remember better. 8. Use flashcards. Old school flashcards never go out of style. Keep them handy for quick, on-the-go quizzes. Perfect for waiting in line or killing time between classes. 9. Review before sleep. Give your brain a bedtime treat. A quick look at your formulas before lights out can work wonders while you rest. 10. Stay healthy and focused. A clear head is your best study buddy. Stay hydrated, eat well, and keep distractions at bay for top-notch learning. And that's a wrap, awesome learners! If you're vibing with these tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Studying Machine, where learning is all about fun. Thanks for tuning in. Catch you in the next video.